How to set up T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh access point in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how to expand your T-Mobile home internet coverage with a Wi-Fi mesh access point so you can get strong, reliable Wi-Fi in every corner of your home. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to place, connect, and optimize your mesh system without any confusion. Start by unboxing your mesh access point. Inside, you'll find the mesh unit and the power adapter. Pick a spot in your home within a reasonable range of your main gateway, ideally where the Wi-Fi signal starts to weaken. Avoid placing it behind large furniture or metal objects. Plug in the mesh unit and wait for the lights to show it's powered on and ready. Next, open the T-Mobile Home Internet app or T-Life on your phone. Tap the Home tab, then select My Wi-Fi and choose Add a New Access Point. The app will guide you through pairing the mesh unit with your gateway. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. The app will also confirm when the mesh unit is successfully paired and ready to extend your Wi-Fi. After pairing, the app will show signal strength and recommended placement. If the connection is weak, move the mesh unit slightly closer to the gateway or adjust its height. The goal is a strong link between the gateway and mesh unit while extending coverage to areas with weak Wi-Fi. Once the mesh unit is connected and positioned properly, your devices will automatically connect to the best signal without switching networks. You can check connected devices and monitor coverage in the T-Life app to make sure every area of your home has strong Wi-Fi. Finally, test your network by browsing websites or streaming videos in previously weak areas. Adjust placement if necessary and restart the mesh unit or gateway if you notice any issues. Once everything works, you'll have seamless Wi-Fi coverage across your home. Following these steps makes setting up a T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh access point simple and reliable. You'll expand your network, manage it easily through the app, and enjoy fast, stable internet in every corner of your home.